I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
James Latham is one of the UK's largest independent distributors of timber, panels and decorative surfaces. We supply products to a broad range of customers, from contractors and merchants through to designers and makers. Since the first James Latham began importing hardwoods into Liverpool in 1757, the company has, under the continuing management and direction of the Latham family, developed into a diverse and far-reaching supplier. With this history reaching back over 260 years, Lathams have always been innovators. We consistently push the boundaries of material selection, from our origins in timber products, panels and doors, through to the modern day, where we sit as one of the sector's most recognized suppliers of cutting-edge materials technologies, including decorative thermoplastics, solid surfaces, veneers and laminates. Our people are as important as our product ranges. Experienced industry professionals teamed with specialist product managers mean we're able to offer solutions and advice in the most challenging of applications. The diversity of our product ranges means there's a lot more to Latham's than initially meets the eye. Operating from 12 branches throughout the UK and Ireland, and 2 designated design showrooms in London and Manchester, we work with merchants and distributors, construction professionals, designers, architects and more, enabling the most demanding designs and construction projects to become reality. With this knowledge, experience and product range at our disposal, James Latham are the all-round answer to your construction and design needs. So come on, tell us. Do you think you know us a little better now? For more information, please visit lathamtimber.co.uk or email info@lathams.co.uk.